Hello everyone. Our next question is evaluate integral 6x plus 5 into root of 6 minus 2x square plus x dx. So this function is in the form of integral px plus q into root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. So the rule will be the linear equation px plus q is equals to a into d by dx of the quadratic function plus b. So we will solve this function. So we'll consider first, let I is equals to our function 6x plus 5 into root of 6 minus 2x square plus x dx. Now according to the rule, 6x plus 5 is equals to a into d by dx of 6 minus 2x square plus x plus b. So this can be written as 6x plus 5 is equals to a into the derivative of this constant term is 0, and this is minus 2 into x square derivative is 2x, so it will be minus 4x, and x derivative is 1 plus b. Now we'll multiply a inside, so it is 6x plus 5 is equals to minus 4ax, and plus a into 1 is a plus b. We'll keep this equation as 1, and this will take this as a. Okay, now compare the coefficient of x. Compare coefficient of x on both sides. Will get here the coefficient of x is 6 equals to, here it is minus 4a. So it is 2 3s are 2 2s are. So a will be equal to minus 3 by 2. We can also compare the constants. Compare constant on both sides. We'll get here the constant is 5, and here it is a plus b. So we can write a plus b is equals to 5. So a value is minus 3 by 2 plus b is equals to 5. So the value of b will get as 5 plus 3 by 2. Taking LCM, 5 to the 10 plus 3 by 2, which is equal to 13 by 2 is the value of b. Now we will substitute a and b values in equation 1. So we'll get 6x plus 5 equal to, the value of a is minus 3 by 2 into minus 4x plus 1 plus the value of b is 13 by 2. Now we will put this value in equation a. Substitute above value in a. So our a function is I is equals to integral 6x plus 5 into root of 6 minus 2x square plus x dx. So this value we can substitute here. So it is I is equal to integral minus 3 by 2 into minus 4x plus 1 plus 13 by 2 into root of 6 minus 2x square plus x whole dx. Now we will multiply this to both the terms, the root term. So it will be integral minus 3 by 2 into 4x plus 1 into root of 6 minus 2x square plus x dx. And next term will be 13 by 2 into 6 root of 6 minus 2x square plus x dx. This can be written as I is equal to minus 3 by 2 outside integral minus 4x plus 1 into root of 6 minus 2x square plus x dx plus integral 13 by 2 root of 6 minus 2x square plus x dx. We will consider this term as I1. Okay, we'll solve it in the separately, then we will add its value in this equation. Okay, this function is in the form of integral root of f of x into f dash of x dx, right? Integral, this is root of f of x into its derivative is this one, right? F dash of x. This is equal to 2 f of x into root f of x by 3. This is one of the formulas you need to remember, okay? 2 root f of x into f of x by 3. So I is equals to minus 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 into f of x value is minus 6 minus 2 x square plus x into root f of x is 6 minus 2x square plus x, right? Plus 13 by 2 into, we have written this function as I1. Here 2, 2 and 3, 3 gets cancelled out. So I is equal to negative of 6 minus 2x square plus x into root of 6 minus 2x square plus x plus 13 by 2 into I1. Consider this equation as 2. Now let us consider I1 value, which is equal to integral root of 6 minus 2x square plus x dx. So now we'll take this value 6 minus 2x square plus x. Now write the square term first, so it is minus 2x square plus x plus 6. Taking minus 2 common here, so it will be x square minus x by 2 and this will become minus 3. Now we need to add and subtract, coefficient of x by 2 whole square, right? So this is equal to, here the coefficient of x is 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2 by 2 whole square, which is equals to 1 by 4 whole square. So this can be written as minus 2 into x square minus x by 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square minus 3 minus 1 by 4 whole square. So here it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is equals to minus 2 into a minus b whole square. So it is x minus 1 by 4 whole square minus 3 minus 1 by 4 square is 16. Now taking LCM, we will get minus 2 into x minus 1 by 4 whole square. 16 3s are 48, so it is minus 48 minus 1 by 16. So this can be written as minus 2 into x minus 1 by 4 whole square minus 49 by 16. 49 and 16 can be written as 7 by 4 whole square. So it is minus 2 into x minus 1 by 4 square minus 7 by 4 whole square. So now multiplying this negative inside, so it is 2 into this will become negative and this will become positive. So I will write the positive value first. So it is 7 by 4 whole square minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square is our answer. So I1 value was integral of root of 6 minus 2x square plus x dx, which is equals to integral of root of 2 into 7 by 4 whole square minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square dx. Now this root 2 is a constant term, so I can write root 2 outside. So it is root 2 integral root of 7 by 4 whole square minus x minus 1 by 4 square dx. This term is in the formula form, which is equals to integral root of a square minus x square dx, which is equals to x into root of a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 into sine inverse x by a. This is the formula. It is quite lengthy sum. Okay, so it is I1 is equal to root 2 into the value of x is x minus 1 by 4 So x value is x minus 1 by 4 into a square minus x square is our question only, which is 7 by 4 whole square minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square by 2 plus a square value. So a square will be 49 by 16 by 2, a square by 2 it is, okay, by 2 into sine inverse x by a. So x value is x minus 1 by 4 by a value is 7 by 4 plus c. So here I1 is equal to, I'll write this 2, so it is 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 4. This root 2 when we multiply to this term, we'll get what is in the question only we'll get, okay. You remember this. If we solve, it will be very lengthy. So root 2 into this term will be 6 minus 2x square plus x, okay, and plus this will become root 2 into 49, so it is 49 root 2 by 16 into 2 is 32 sine inverse. Here taking the LCM, so we'll get 4x minus 1 by 4 by 7 by 4. So here this 4 gets cancelled out. Now here we should take the LCM, so it is 4x minus 1 by 4 here, okay. So we will get I1 is equal to 1 by 2. Taking the LCM, so we'll get 4x minus 1 by 4 into 6 minus root of 6 minus 2x square plus x plus 49 root 2 by 32 sine inverse 4x minus 1 by 7 plus c. Okay, now we can multiply this 2, so we'll get 4x minus 1 by 8 into root of 6 minus 2x square plus x plus 49 root 2 by 32 sine inverse 4x minus 1 by 7 plus c. So now we should substitute I1 in equation 2. So our equation 2 was I equal to negative of 6 minus 2x square plus x into root of 6 minus 2x square plus x plus 13 by 2 into I1. So I'll write I1 value here, and this I is equal to negative of 6 minus 2x square plus x, and this root can be written as 6 minus 2x square plus x whole power 1 by 2 plus 13 by 2 into the I1 value, which is equals to 4x minus 1 by 8 into root of 6 minus 2x square plus x plus 49 root 2 by 32 into sine inverse 4x minus 1 by 7 plus c. So this is equal to I equal to, here bases are equal, power should be added. So here the power is 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So the negative of 6 minus 2x square plus x whole power 3 by 2 plus 13 by, here it is 8 into 2 is 16 into 4x minus 1 into root of 6 minus 2x square plus x plus 13 into 49 is equal to 637 root 2 by 2 into 32, which is equal to 64, right, into sine inverse 4x minus 1 by 7 plus c is our answer for this question. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. So the next question is, evaluate integral 3x minus 2 into root of 2x square minus x plus 1 into dx. Okay, so this is in the rule of px plus q is equals to a into d by dx into the quadratic function plus b. So we'll consider a function, let I is equals to integral 3x minus 2 into 2x square minus x plus 1 dx, and we'll consider our rule. So it is 3x minus 2 is equals to a into d by dx of a function quadratic 2x square minus x plus 1 plus b. So this is equals to 3x minus 2 equal to a into the derivative of x square is 2x. 2x into 2 will be 4x minus x derivative is 1 and the 1 constant is 0 and it is plus b. Now we will equate the coefficient of x on both sides. Will get 3 is equals to, here the coefficient of x is 3, equals to, here it will be 4a, which is equals to a is equals to 3 by 4. Similarly, we will equate the constant terms on both sides. Will get minus 2 equal to, here it is a into 1, so it is minus a plus b. Substitute the value of a here, so it is minus 2 equal to minus 3 by 4 plus b. So we'll get the value of b is equals to minus 2. This goes over there, so it is plus 3 by 4. B is equal to, here LCM, so it is minus 8 plus 3 by 4, which is equals to minus 5 by 4. So the value of b is minus 5 by 4. We will consider this equation as 1. So substitute the value of a and b in 1. Substitute a and b in equation 1. So this will be 3x minus 2 equal to, the value of a is 3 by 4 into 4x minus 1 plus the value of b is minus 5 by 4. Now I'll write with our function a, right? I'll take this equation as a. The I value will be taken as a. Substitute this value in I, okay? So I is equal to integral 3x minus 2 into root of 2x square minus x plus 1 dx. So I is equal to integral the value of 3x minus 2 over here, so it is 3 by 4 into 4x minus 1 minus 5 by 4 into root of 2x square minus x plus 1 dx. Now multiply this to both the terms. Will get I is equal to integral of 3 by 4 into 4x minus 1 into root of 2x square minus x plus 1 dx and minus integral again 5 by 4 root of 2x square minus x plus 1 dx, right? Now this 3 by 4 can be written outside, so I is equal to 3 by 4 integral of 4x minus 1 into 2x square minus x plus 1 dx minus 5 by 4 constant outside, integral root of 2x square minus x plus 1 dx. Now this term is derivative of this function, right? So this is in the form of integral f dash of x into root f of x dx, which is equals to 2f of x into root f of x by 3. This is the formula you need to remember in order to solve this question, okay? And this function can be taken as I1, okay? We'll solve it further and we will add up in this equation. So this can be written as, so I is equals to 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 into f of x, which is 2x square minus x plus 1 into root f of x, which is 2x square minus x plus 1 minus 5 by 4 into I1, okay? So here 3 gets cancelled, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So I is equal to 1 by 2 into 2x square minus x plus 1. This can be written as, the square root can be written as power 1 by 2 and minus 5 by 4 I1. So bases are equal, power can be added, so it is I is equal to 1 by 2 2x square minus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 and minus 5 by 4 into I1. Now consider the I1 value. Let I1 is equal to integral root of 2x square minus x plus 1 dx. So we will take the quadratic function value and taking 2 common here, so it is x square minus x by 2 plus 1 by 2, right? Now we will add and subtract the coefficient of x by 2 whole square, right? So this can be taken as here the coefficient of x is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 by 2 whole square is equals to 1 by 4 whole square. So we should add this here and subtract. So it is 2 into x square minus x by 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square plus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 4 whole square. So we added and subtracted. Okay, so this can be written in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, these three terms. So it is a minus b whole square minus 2ab it is. So it is a minus 1 by 4 x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 square is 16, right? So it is equal to 2 into x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus the LCM of 16 and 2 is 16. So it is here into 8 here, above also 8. So it is 8 minus 1 by 16. So this is equals to 2 into x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus 7 by 16. The second term we have to write in the form of root. So it is equals to 2 into x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus root 7 value is not there. So it is root 7 by 4 whole square. Okay, now we will substitute this value in I1, which is I1 is equal to integral root of 2x square minus x plus 1 dx, which is equals to integral root of 2 into x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus root 7 by 4 whole square dx. Okay, so now this root 2 will come outside. So it is I1 is equal to root 2 into integral of root x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus root 7 by 4 whole square dx. So this function is in the form of integral root of x square plus a square dx, which is equals to x by 2 root of x square plus a square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a plus c is the formula. Okay, so here it will be I1 is equals to root 2 as it is, and here it is first is x by 2, the value of x is this, so it is x minus 1 by 4 by 2 root of the same thing again, so it is x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus root 7 by 4 square, right, plus a square by 2. Here the value of a is root 7 by 4 whole square by 2, right, into sine inverse x by a, the value of x is x minus 1 by 4 by a value is root 7 by 4 plus c. Now we have to solve this. So here it will be I1 is equals to, here it is 2 here, so 1 by 2, and here it can be taken as LCM, so it is into 4x minus 1 by 4. When we multiply root 2 with this root term, we'll get the question, okay, which is nothing but root of the 2x square minus x plus 1. Okay, and this root 2 will be multiplied to this term again, and here it is square and root for the 7, so it gets cancelled out, so it is 7 by 4 squares is 16 into 2 here it is, and the root 2 is multiplied to this term, so it is 7 root 2 sine inverse, here taking the LCM, so it is 4x minus 1 by 4 by root 7 by 4 plus c. The 4 gets cancelled out here, and I1 is equals to 4 into 2 is 8, so it is 4x minus 1 by 8 root of 2x square minus x plus 1 plus 7 root 2 by 32. 16 into 2 is 32 sine inverse 4x minus 1 by root 7 plus c. This is the value of I1. Substitute I1 in equation 2. Okay, so our equation 2 is I equals to 1 by 2 into 2x square minus x plus 1 power 1 by 2 minus 5 by 4 into I1, right? Is our equation 2. Substitute I1 value here, so it is I is equal to 1 by 2 into 2x square minus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 minus 5 by 4 into 4x minus 1 by 8 into root of 2x square minus x plus 1 plus 7 root 2 by 32 sine inverse 4x minus 1 by root 7 plus c. So this is our final answer. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.